Hey guys, Mark again. Now on the last video, I was showing you the steps that I do each morning, which is basically setting goals. And this has helped me a lot. I didn't used to do this before, but starting to set goals in the morning has helped me massively, and I'm continuing to do that all the time. And I've noticed my productivity has gone through the roof. So if you haven't seen the last video, click on the link and you can see it so you can catch up so you can see what's been happening so far. Even though it says day one or day two, whatever day this was on, it's not really day one. I've been doing this for a couple of years now, but it's day one of me showing you what I'm doing and the steps that I'm taking to get towards my financial freedom. And for most people, financial freedom means different things, but for me, it's just gonna mean when I get to a position where I don't have to work every day for money and money comes in passively, or even working less than I am right now. And I've set myself a goal of 3 years from now. So now we're in 2023. So in 3 years from now, I will be, so you've got to be really careful with your words. I will be financially free by the time 3 years has passed. So we've got an app that we've been selling through TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and YouTube as well. Actually, most of the downloads have been organic through promoting it through TikTok. The last video that I uploaded, I was explaining that we're going to update the app so that it becomes free to download, and then afterwards customers will have to pay after a few days of using it. And we've done that now. We had some problems, but with anything, you're gonna get a lot of problems and then you have to solve it. If you get a good developer and someone that you can communicate with, it makes the whole process a lot easier. So we released a new version, which was free. I got a bit excited and I wanted to, obviously I couldn't even really sleep because I knew this was like a big turning point for the app. So I wanted to release it as soon as possible, but then I forgot that anybody that had ordered, or that anybody that was gonna download the app from or before the 30th of December would get it for free, and then they wouldn't have to pay. So I promoted it and it got lots of downloads. I was thinking, yes, this is gonna be doing quite well tomorrow or the next 3 days. Then I realized all the people that downloaded it that day, I realized midway through the live, actually, as I was doing the live and promoting the app, I realized that, oh wait, all the people that are downloading it are gonna have it for free for forever, basically. But I carried on anyway because I still wanted to see how it's gonna perform in terms of the promotion, and it done a lot better than I expected. It was actually shocking when I looked at the figures. But we're gonna find out if those people that downloaded it for free are going to turn into paying customers. I'm optimistic because we've done a survey. I sent out an email to all the people that have downloaded the app and did a quick survey, just 3 questions asking them how they found the app, whether they've passed their theory test yet or not, and also if there's anything that they would improve on the app. Most people said it was really good, excellent, not much to improve, don't change anything. We've got a couple of suggestions on how to improve it. 1 or 2 people saying it didn't work on their phone, which is to be expected. It's got thousands of downloads, so I wasn't expecting everybody to be happy. Sometimes it might be their phone, or it might be just other reasons. This is something that I had to work hard on as well. When you create something like an app where thousands of people are using, and especially if you've put your face on it and you promoted it through your own channels, it's kind of scary when things go wrong. Like it did go wrong a bit when you've released the previous version and it kept crashing because there was some bug in it, and I couldn't sleep for like 2 days actually. And the developer I was using at the time was the guy that created it, actually just told me, like, just relax, this is a part of the process, things like this happen sometimes. And hearing that kind of helped, because I was there panicking thinking, oh my god, like everyone's gonna hate me because I've made this app and I've made them buy it, I've made them pay for it, and now it's not working. I've got a few people emailing saying it's not working, people texting, people talking on the live as well as I was promoting it, saying, oh, it's not working, which obviously is really stressful. But in the long run, we got it sorted out, and then everything was smooth sailing again. Everyone forgave me, I think, I hope anyway. But yeah, so in terms of the app, that's been going really well so far. That's what I wanted to kind of let you guys know. I will keep you updated. We've got lots more things coming with this in terms of the app, in terms of how I'm going to incorporate it into other things as well. I'm going to show you all the steps that I'm taking so you guys can follow along. I'm always getting ideas of how we can actually improve the service and how we can use that information to do more business with other people and help other customers as well. And when I first started doing this, making or trying to make money online thing, the one thing that I kept hearing was you want to help people, be helpful, provide a service, provide a service. You know, if you do that, if you provide a service, then you're going to be successful. And if you serve people, and I didn't get it at first, but now I get it. So now my main mission when I'm doing these kind of things, I'm always thinking about the customer. How are they going to receive this? How is it going to benefit them? And what can I do to improve the service so they can pass their test better, so they can improve? And I'm always listening to their suggestions and then trying to implement that into any products that I develop. So that's what I'm going to do going forward. And the next step now, the next few things that I've been thinking about doing was we made the app free to download, which now is doing quite well in terms of downloads. We need to find out how it's going to do when in terms of sales soon. We'll find out. I'll let you guys know once I get the figures. We've also got a course, or I've also got a course. I always say we when I'm talking about the business. I don't know. It sounds more. I don't know. I think it sounds more professional when I say we. But when I say we, I mean me, which is another thing I want to talk to you guys about soon. As eventually I'm going to get help to run this business. But at the moment, most of the stuff I'm doing it by myself. But eventually I will get someone to come along, maybe partner up, or an employee to do some sort of work that I haven't quite figured that bit out yet, which I'm going to do soon, so that I can have more time to actually run the business and do other things to develop the business into what I want it to be. So yeah, I was talking about the course. So in terms of the course, at the moment, we are getting a couple of sales here and there, nothing crazy. So I want to make it in a way that people can actually go there and purchase the course. And I think nowadays we live in an economy where, or in a world where people want things for free, or they're not going to buy something if they haven't seen it or if they haven't tried it out first. I've been thinking about this the last few days, thinking how can we increase the sales of this course? Because it's a pretty good course. I've already got it on Udemy and it's doing well on there, but I wanted to do it on our own platform, because in the long term I want to have on our own platform a whole brand, you know, the Theory Test Hero brand, to be a place where people can come for different education in terms of driving. And I want it to be like a one-stop shop. One of the ways to do that is having a course on our site and then having more courses on our site as well, which is part of the process. And to do that, I think the next step now is to find a way, which I think I figured out this afternoon when I was having a bath, how to actually make it free. Because on the website that I'm using, on the platform that I'm using, you can't make it free. You can't do a free version and then like make the person, or you can't give them a free trial unless I haven't figured it out. But you can't give them a free trial. I've actually asked technical support and they said there's no way you can actually let them have a free trial first and then let them carry on. But I think I figured out a way to do it, and I'm gonna do that in the next couple of days, and hopefully you guys can see how I've done it, and I'll show you the results of that as well. YouTube has been going slow. It's been going very slow, and in terms of like growth and views, I'm always trying to figure out how I can improve it. Facebook is doing quite well. Recently got monetized on there. Today I checked, I think we are on 80,000 subscribers on Facebook, and we've got some videos that are doing well right now, going viral. And so with Facebook, the long-term goal with that one really is more again about brand recognition, and also to get monetized. We've already been monetized, but to get more money from Facebook, so that way I'm getting multiple streams of income from my content. Because you don't want to be, well, sometimes you can create content for free, but if you're making this much effort into creating content, you want to get some sort of return. But I understand that the return is not immediate, it's not straight away, and which has made my life a lot easier, because I understand it takes time. Even with Facebook, for a long time we weren't monetized because the videos weren't doing that well, but I kept consistent with it, kept posting videos regularly, and then eventually some of the videos went viral, and then overnight we got monetized. And yeah, I'll show you the figures on a different video, but Facebook is doing pretty well in terms of the videos. And with TikTok, that's my main place where I promote the app and other products that we're selling, like the course. And with that, it's just a matter of creating lots of videos and posting them, which I'm doing consistently, and then sometimes changing the videos a bit as well, so that it stays fresh. And I'm really having fun with the video creation side of things on there. And that's what you want to do as well. You want to be having fun with this. If you're finding it tedious, if you're finding it laborious, if you're finding it, you know, tiring, it probably won't last that long. With me, when I'm doing filming and I'm thinking about the ideas and I'm thinking about how I'm going to edit it, how I'm going to, you know, push it out, how it's going to be received, I enjoy that whole process. And because of that, and knowing as well that if I keep doing it long term, it's going to work out. If you can take anything away from this video, guys, it's if you're consistent and you keep going. You probably heard it a million times, but trust me, it is true. I've kind of seen it myself with TikTok. I've seen it with Facebook. I've seen it with Instagram. I've seen it with YouTube a little bit. But eventually, with YouTube as well, I'm gonna conquer that as well. And but the aim is to be one of the leading content providers for driver education. So that's one of the aims for 2023. I'm filming this just after New Year's. Most of the times I would have gone out for New Year, but this year I didn't really feel like going anywhere. I felt like just being focused and waking up fresh. What's that saying? They say, start as you mean to go on. That's how I started the year. Feeling positive, feeling productive, and feeling good. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. I'm going to be doing more of these. So make sure you press that button that you can get notified when I'm uploading more videos. I'll be doing lots of these so that you guys can see my journey through how I'm going from where I am now to where I'm going to be in the next few years. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.